If DuckDuckGo keeps opening in Chrome or taking over your searches, don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you how to remove DuckDuckGo from the Chrome browser step by step, so you can switch back to your preferred search engine, remove any DuckDuckGo extension, and reset your startup page if needed. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, if DuckDuckGo is automatically loading whenever you search from the address bar, you want to change your default search engine. To do that, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and click Search Engine. This section controls what Chrome uses when you type a search into the top bar. Now find the option to change your search engine and click the Change button. A list of available search engines should appear. Select Google from the list, then click Set as Default. That will switch Chrome back to Google for searches typed in the address bar. Next, if DuckDuckGo has changed your new tab page, toolbar, or browser behavior, it may be installed as an extension. Extensions can add extra features, but they can also take over search settings if you don't want them anymore. To remove it, click the three-dot menu again, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. This opens the page where all installed Chrome extensions are listed. Look through the list for DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials or any other DuckDuckGo-related extension you don't recognize or no longer want. Once you find it, click the Remove button on that extension card. Chrome will ask you to confirm, so click Remove again in the pop-up window to fully erase it from your browser. After that, if DuckDuckGo still appears every time you open Chrome, the next thing to check is your startup page settings. Go back into Chrome settings from the three-dot menu, then click on Startup in the left sidebar panel. Here, Chrome lets you choose what opens when the browser launches. If Open a specific page or set of pages is selected, check the list carefully for any DuckDuckGo link or page. If you see it, click the three dots next to that entry and choose Remove. That will stop Chrome from loading DuckDuckGo whenever you start the browser. Once you've gone through these three steps, DuckDuckGo should be removed from Chrome in most cases. Your search bar should be back to normal, your unwanted extension should be gone, and your startup page should be cleaned up too. If the problem still comes back, double-check that no other browser extensions or settings were changed at the same time. And if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy browser tutorials, Windows tips, and step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.